Welcome to Anaya's recipes. Today, we are going to learn how to save green chilies for a long time. Wash the green chilies and remove the head of chilies. In a bowl, add water. Add 2 teaspoons salt. Add 1 teaspoon vinegar. Mix it well. Now add all the chilies. Now rest the chilies for 1 hour. After 1 hour, soak the chilies well. Make sure no water remains with chilies. Now chilies are completely dry. First method of saving chilies. In an airtight container with paper, add chilies. Cover the green chilies with paper. Now cover the container with lid. Make sure it's airtight. Second method. Add green chilies in juicer machine. Half cup oil. Add oil in juicer. Now blend until it becomes paste. We will not use a single drop of water. Add salt. Add turmeric powder haldi. Check the thickness. Add the mixture in airtight jar. Store the chilies and its paste in refrigerator for up to 2 months. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.